BtcCoin just added another positive update. This one giving you a couple more ways to earn some free sats. The first thing is if you go to the wallet tab and you click withdraw, they now have a reinvestment button. You can see I'm toggling it here. And so you can see I have a little over 6,000 sats. So let's put in the max, which is 4,500, so 0.000045. And then if you click preview, you'll see that it'll give me reinvestment for 4,500 sats in exchange for just under 200 gigahash per second. So let's do the reinvestment. And now you can see for my paid miners, I now have another 194.9 gigahash per second. So let's go back to our main page. And then after the ad, we'll go back to the home screen. And you can see my total power went up to 6.214.9. And just doing the math off of my head, 1 terahash is 34.5 sats per day. I got just under 200, so we're looking, I'm guessing, somewhere between 6.5 and 7 sats a day, more than I was getting before. So the next thing they added was these draw rewards. So let's click that real quick. And if you go up to the little question mark, it shows that you can complete daily tasks and achieve the required activity. You can buy paid miners, which I'll show you in a second. And then the prizes consists of mining machines. And you can see all the rewards on the screen. On the little top, it has a toggle. So I've seen every reward except for 500. And I have 1 star here. So let's do that real quick. See what I get. And 200 for 4 hours. Okay, so I guess it can consider be between 2 and 4 hours. So I guess, I can get in 0.575. I'm guessing I'm going to get a 1.150. So if I had to guess, that little rolling thing that goes up is only showing the 4 hours for the ones that can. I'm guessing you can get a 2-hour version. But even if there's more than these stats, the ones that say 4 hours, there might be 2. So, you would divide 115 divided by 2. But you can kind of get a gist of what you can earn when you, hit one of these. I don't know the stats of how likely you are to hit something higher. You can see I've done 2, my 2 awards. I have one with 200 gigahash per second with 4 hours and one for 2 hours. And if we go back and then head to our daily tasks, this is what I did to get more spins. I was able to get 2 today, and I was going to try to do more, but I can't do the power miners or the super ad miners because I already did them. But another way to get these spins is to actually go into the market. If you buy the $200 miner, you'll get 22. If you buy the $10, you'll get 1. $100, you'll get 11, etc., etc. But one thing I had in mind for these spins is maybe you get lucky and you hit one of like the 10, 15, or 20,000 gigahash per second. That should technically bring you past these like 10, 15, and 20 rewards where you get extra bonuses. And you only have to hit those bonuses once to trigger these rewards. And while I said I don't know the percentages on that actually happening, if you're able to get these spins, once a day from doing your daily tasks, I'll keep doing it until maybe I get lucky, and then I'll make a video on me going up the rank based on this. And I'll also be able to tell you how long it took me, and I won't be able to give you exact stats, but at least we'll have some kind of basis on whether this is something that can happen pretty quickly or if it's such a low percentage that it takes me a long time. So it'll take some time to let you know if this is worth it. I'm not even sure exactly how many stars you can get a day. Like I said, I got 2 today. I'm not sure if I'm just going to be able to get 1 tomorrow or 2 every single day. And this is just going to have to be a wait and see thing that I'll also let you know in my next BtcCoin update video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I do my best to find the best Bitcoin and cloud mining apps and break them down as well as I can. And if you want a free and easy way to support the channel, please use my invite code that you see on the screen for BtcCoin. It costs you nothing and is greatly appreciated. And if you feel I give you value with these videos, and I do try to give you updates as soon as possible, I did just open up memberships less than a month ago for $1 a month. You'll get these videos out a little earlier. I'll give you a shout out on my next video. And I don't take sponsorships from any cloud mining companies to keep these as unbiased as possible. So anything that you can do to help out is greatly appreciated and means the world to me. But as always, I appreciate y'all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.